Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. This is English test revision. Okay, children. So I'll read the revisions mains. So listen carefully. Okay, children. First main, write the rhyming words. First one, near, dear. Spelling is D-E-A-R, dear. Second one, book, cook, C-O-O-K, cook. Third one, hat, cat, C-A-T, cat. Fourth one, boat, coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Fifth one, game, same, S-A-M-E, same. See, me, M-E, me. So, these are the rhyming words. First, once again, I'll repeat. Near, dear, book, cook, hat, cat, boat, coat, game, same, see, me. Okay, student? So, these are the rhyming words. This one will come for the test. So, read nicely. Okay, student? Second main. Write the opposites. First one, happy, sad. S-A-D, sad. Second one, open, close. C-L-O-S-E, close. Third one, come, go. G-O, go. Fourth one, sit, stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Fifth one, for, near. N-E-A-R, near. Sixth one, catch, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. These are the opposites. Once again, I'll repeat. Happy, sad. Open, close. Come, go. Sit, stand. For, near. Catch, throw. Now, third main. Write the plurals. Plural, singular means only one. Plural means more than one. That is 2, 3, 4 and like that. So, first one, balloon. Balloon means only one. Balloons means more than 2. Okay, children? B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Girl, girls. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. Boat, boats. B-O-A-T-S, boats. Kite, kites. K-I-T-E-S, kites. Star, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Boy, boys. B-O-Y-S, boys. Once again I'll repeat plurals. Balloon, balloons. Girl, girls. Boat, boats. Kite, kites. Star, stars. Boy, boys. Now next main, fourth main. Match the meanings. In the A side, it is there, hugged. Second one, delicious. Third one, stretched. Fourth one, darling. Fifth one, beautiful. So in the B side, they are given attractive, embraced, very dear one, very tasty, can make longer or wider without tearing. So, you must match them. So, for hugged, in the B side, in the second line, it is there embraced. So, you must put 1 there. For second one, delicious, in the B side, in the fourth line, it is there very tasty. So, you must write in the bracket 2 there. Third one, stretched. In the B side, it is in the fifth line, can make longer or wider without tearing. So, in the bracket, you must write 3 there. Fourth one, darling. So, in the B side, it is a very dear one. So, that is in the bracket 4 you must put there. Fifth one, beautiful. So in the B side, in the first line it is there, attractive. So in the bracket you must write 5. Okay children. So once again I will read the math following. Correct answer. Hugged, embraced, delicious, very tasty, stretched, can make longer or wider without tearing. Fourth one, darling, very dear one. Fifth one, beautiful, attractive. Okay children. So number is 5, 1, 4, 2, 3. Next main. Fifth main, poem. Write the poem, that is Catch a Little Rhyme. Okay children. Once upon a time, I caught a little rhyme. O-N-C-E once, U-P-O-N upon, A-T-I-M-E time, I-C-A-U-G-H-T caught, A-L-I-T-T-L-E little, R-H-Y-M-E rhyme. I-M-A-K-E make, I-T it, S-I-T sit, O-N on, T-H the, F-L-O-R floor. I make it sit on the floor. B-U-T but, I-T it, R-A-N ran, R-A-G-H-T right, O-U-T out, O-F off, T-H the, D-O-O-R door. But it ran right out of the door. I-C-H-A-S-E-D chased, H-I-M-M, W-I-T-H with, M-Y my, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E bicycle. I chased him with my bicycle. B-U-T but, I-T it, M-E-L-T-D melted, I-N-T-O into, A-N and I-C-I-C-L-E icicle. But it melted into an icicle. I-S-C-O-O-P-D scooped, I-T it, U-P up, I-N in, M-Y my, H-A-T hat. I scooped it up in my hat. B-U-T but, I-T it, T-U-R-N-E-D turned, I-N-T-O into a C-A-T cat. But it turned into a cat. So once again I will read. Once upon a time, I caught a little rhyme. I make it sit on the floor, but it ran right out of the door. I chased him with my bicycle, but it melted into an icicle. I scooped it up in my hat, but it turned into a cat. So this poem is in your textbook, that is second lesson, that is second poem. Okay children, second lesson, that is poem Catch a Little Rhyme. In the textbook it is there. So you refer textbook, that is second lesson. Okay children. Next, sixth main. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. So here they are given mixed, that you must write correct word. Okay children. First one, T-A-B-O. So the correct word is B-O-A-T, boat. Second one, E-I-K-T. So answer is K-I-T-E, kite. So they have given your jumble, you must write in the correct word. Third one, L-L-A-B. So answer is B-A-L-L, ball. Fourth one, N-W-O-R-B. So answer is B-R-O-W-N, brown. Fifth one, S-N-E-P. So answer is P-E-N-S, pens. Sixth one, H-Y-R-E-M. So answer is R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. So once again I will repeat this one. T-A-B-O, B-O-A-T, boat. Second one, E-I-K-T, K-I-T-E, kite. Third one, L-L-A-B, answer is B-A-L-L, ball. Fourth one, N-W-O-R-B. So answer is B-R-O-W-N, brown. Fifth one, S-N-E-P. Answer is P-E-N-S, pens. Sixth one, H-Y-R-E-M. Answer is R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. So these are the rearranged letters. So you must write in the correct word. Okay, children. Next, seventh main, missing letters. First one, F-L-O-O-R, floor. Second one, C-A-T, cat. Next is S-I-G-H-T, sight. Next, M-E-L-T-E-D, melted. Next, C-H-A-N-G-E-D, changed. Next, G-R-E-W, grew. So once again, I'll read this one. F-L-O-O-R, floor. C-A-T, cat. S-I-G-H-T, sight. M-E-L-T-E-D, melted. C-H-A-N-G-E-D, changed. G-R-E-W, grew. So these are the missing letters. Okay, children. Next, eighth main. Write the names of gifts given to Manju. So Manju's birthday was there, no? So she got many gifts. So the gifts who gave and what she got from their parents. Okay, children. First one, father. So father gave for a big brown ball. That is a gift name. B-I-G, big. B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-A-L-L, ball. Big brown ball. Second one, grandmother. What grandmother gave for her? So grandmother gave chocolates. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates. Third one, mother. Green satin dress. G-R-E-E-N, green. S-A-T-I-N, satin. D-R-E-S-S, dress. Green satin dress. Fourth one, uncle. Box of crayons and color book. B-O-X, box. O-F of C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. A-N-D, and C-O-L-O-U-R, color. B-O-O-K, book. Box of crayons and color book. So these are the gifts that the Manju got from her father, mother, grandmother and uncle. So once again I will repeat. Father, big brown ball. Grandmother, chocolates. Third one, mother, green satin dress. Uncle, box of crayons and color book. Okay, children. So these are the eighth main. Now ninth main. Write he words, means for he words for men and all we can say. She words means that is girls. First one, mother. He words is father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Second one, sister, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Aunt, uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Fourth one, grandmother, grandfather. G-R-A-N-D, grand. F-A-T-H-E-R, father, grandfather. See, mother, sister, aunt, grandmother is there, no? That is feminine gender. Father, brother, uncle, grandfather, that is masculine gender. So for masculine gender, we will say it as he. For feminine gender, we will say it as she. Children, so once again I will repeat. Mother, father, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, children. So these are the he words in the ninth main. Now, 10th main, answer the following question. First one, when did Manju wake up? So, answer is Manju woke up at 6 a.m. Okay, children, when did Manju wake up? Manju woke up at 6 a.m. Children, second one, what did Manju wear on her birthday? So, which dress she wore on her birthday? So, answer is Manju wore a beautiful green satin dress. Once again, Manju wore a beautiful green satin dress. Third one, where did the rhyme sit? So, answer is the rhyme sat on the floor. So, where did the rhyme sit? The rhyme sat on the floor. Answer is the rhyme sat on the floor. Student, next fourth one. How did the poet chase it? So, how did the poet chase it? So, answer is the poet chased it with his bicycle. Student, answer is the poet chased it with his bicycle. So, fifth one. Who hugged Manju? So, who hugged Manju? Her mother. Student, answer is her mother. Now, I'll say with the spellings. When did Manju wake up? M-A-N-J-U, Manju. W-O-K-E-O-U-P, up. Ate at 6 a.m. Student, Manju woke up at 6 a.m. Second one. What did Manju wear on her birthday? Spellings. M-A-N-J-U, Manju. W-O-R-E, wore. A-B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. G-R-E-E-N, green. S-A-T-I-N, satin. D-R-E-S-S, dress. Manju wore a beautiful green satin dress. Third one. Where did the rhyme sit? Answer. R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. S-A-T, sat. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Rhyme sat on the floor. How did the poet chase it? Fourth one question. So, answer is T-H-E, the. P-O-E-T, poet. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. I-T-H, W-I-T-H, with. H-I-S, his. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. The poet chased it with his bicycle. Fifth one. Who hugged Manju? Answer is H-E or her. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Her mother. Okay, children. So, these are the test revision for you. So, Monday there is test. You sit and read at home, practice at home for the test. Okay, children. Any doubt, children? So, prepare for the test. Okay, children. Thank you, children.